Let's now go over how to change brightness of the i-Cockpit display. Of course, there are no buttons, so you have to do it from this unit. When you get to settings, brightness is one of the options right here in the menu. And when you click it, you'll see you can't really change it like on other models. So what you have to do is you have to turn on the lights. And after you do that, you can adjust the brightness. Let me show you the changes on the display. And it's going to remember that value for you. Okay, as you can see, we are still at the maximum value. Let me turn off lights. Let me turn on the lights, and the value stayed the same. So let's turn it back and switch off the lights. Thank you for taking a look at the video.